this video, you will learn how to transform a simple image
into a stunning, transparent text effect, just like the one you're seeing now, quickly and easily.
Let's jump straight into the tutorial.
To begin, open Canva and select the Presentation option from the homepage.
Next, select the image you want to display in your design. Resize and adjust the image to fit your canvas perfectly.
Go to the Elements tab and search for Road in the search bar. Pick the image that fits your design and style. Click here to remove the background from the image. Next, go to the Text tab and type the text you want to display as transparent.